at you and point out things that you're able to sort of follow the steps. So I know I'm sitting, I see a lot of you sitting also right now, but I think find a space where you can move around a little bit and do sit on the camera. It will really help. I think you feel more involved in the session, and it'll be a good 30-40 minutes to forget about everything else and just try and keep pace with usually at least I used to find the session very memorable. So true. So all the Americans, I just didn't want to sort of let me share my experience, and I hope everyone has a wonderful fitness journey.
Thank you, Mukund. Thanks a lot. Okay, good evening, everyone.
Hi.
Hi.
Good evening.
Okay, so I'm Mehek Khanna. So I'm a fitness coach and a health coach at Control All Fit. We have Balwinder here in the team.
Hi everyone. Like people are still joining, so I keep on clicking on admit. That's fine. So this is Balwinder, and professionally I'm an IT professional, but this is my passion. So we are working together at Control Outfit, making sure that as many people we can help out with living a better lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, trying to transform some lives. And by God's grace, we have been very successful so far. And I'm hoping that Nagaro has taken this initiative to at least give you an insight into like what a healthy lifestyle looks like and how we can actually get into fitness and kickstart our fitness. So that's what we are going to talk about. It's going to be a kind of a kickstart to fitness journey. So yeah, I think we can start. I'm gonna give you a brief overview of the agenda of what we are going to do today. So bear with me. So introduction, as we are right now, we are in the introduction phase, so we are talking about ourselves. It's not possible to get introduced to everybody on the call, but I'm assuming that everybody is an integral part of Nagaro. Nagaro is a well-known name in India as well as US and other countries, and I know that there are few offices in India. So, and it's good that the management and HR and other people have decided to actually arrange something for you people, which is, I don't know how many of the organizations could probably for it and such. It is our responsibility to make sure that we make the maximum use of this time. We try to keep this session interactive. Try to keep this session interesting as well. If you find something a little boring, keep a notepad with you and just write it down. We'll make sure that next session we either modify it in a way. But yes, all the sessions we're going to have, everything is going to be interesting and a little fun mode. Okay, so and we get the benefit of whatever we are doing. Okay, so that's the kind of introduction. What we're going to do today is we're going to start with a warm-up. The warm-up is going to tell our body, okay, what we are going to do with it. Okay, so since morning, I don't know whether you were sitting the whole day or you're doing something else or maybe lying down. We will bring our body into the workout mode where we tell the body, okay, now it's time to get up and do something. And after that, we are going to do the CAF, we call it mover and shaker fitness session, which is going to move you a little bit and shake you a little bit. So it's better that, as Mukund mentioned, that you have some space around you so that you can move your arms along and legs, whatever space you can find, and also make sure that you're visible in the frame. So that is so if it is possible, you're visible. Okay, so post that, in that session there will be interesting movement. You will probably get a little bit tired in that, which is I think the goal. But yes, if you are not comfortable with any of the movements, you can stop, wait, do it slowly or rest more. That's perfectly fine. This is the first day. We are going to take it easy. Okay. Post that session, which is going to be somewhere close to 10 to 15 minutes, we will do some cool down, or we call it a little bit of cool down, and then we're going to do a small test, which is going to be a patience test. It's going to be interesting. Be ready for that. And then we're going to bring the mercury down by doing some stretches and all for ourselves. Towards the end, we're going to have a small, we're going to talk about nutrition, maybe a 1 or 2 tips about nutrition, and a couple of myths we're going to break down. What we would want is that you can have, if you want, you can ask questions if you're left with the time, or you can write it down and share it with us so that we can talk about those questions in the next session. And if there is anything which you want to talk, want us to talk more about, that also can be taken care of in the future session. So it's going to be towards the end, we're going to talk about it. Just a minute session where we're going to make you move and shake a little bit. Okay, so I think that's the introduction part. We can now start with the warm-up.
Okay, everyone. I want everyone to stand up wherever you are. We won't require much space, but just stand up. If you have some space, you can just keep your chair aside and we will be requiring that much space only. And start walking on the spot, everyone. Just walk like that. Yes, start walking. Yes, try moving your arms also along as you walk. Don't feel shy, switch on your cameras. You are going to like this session as in you watch me and you do the exercises and follow my instructions as well. Okay, let's begin by some joint rotation movements. So rotate your arms in full circles. Open up your arms, rotate them in full circles. Alright, let's do a reverse movement of arms rotation. So if we rotated it clockwise, so we rotate it anti-clockwise. Reverse movement. Alright, now rotate your neck side to side, left side, right side, giving it a slight pause as you go. Keep your eyes open, keep breathing. Okay, neck up and down, up and down. Okay, complete neck rotation in full circle. Now as you rotate in circle, make sure you're breathing and your eyes are open. Don't close your eyes and don't stop breathing. Reverse. Anti-clockwise, reverse. One more round. Okay, relax. Now place your hands on your shoulders and rotate. Rotate your arms in circles. Try to bring your elbows as close as possible. Okay, reverse. Okay, now legs are shoulder length apart, knees are soft, hands on your waist. And rotate your trunk in full complete big circles. Reverse. Now do a reverse motion. First 5 clockwise, then anti-clockwise. Take bigger circle, 5 circles we do clockwise, 5 anti-clockwise. Okay, relax. Now keep your arms in the center and swing your body side to side. You rotate your neck also along as you swing. Okay, relax. Now raise your arms up and swing your body side to side like this. Keep your knees soft, your chest out. Don't hunch your back. Let your body swing side to side. Okay, relax. Now join your legs, fold your knees, place your hands on your knees and rotate. Rotate your legs like that. Okay, reverse. Now raise one leg up like this. Place your leg out and bring it in. Out, in. Out, in. Yes. Good. Okay, let's change. Now lift the other leg up. Take it out, bring it in. Out, in. Yes. Keep your upper body stable. Good. Now again raise your leg and move it sideways like this. Just shake it in both the directions sideways. Yes, just shake your leg. Okay, change. Now lift the other leg and shake it. Okay, relax. Now rotate your foot from the ankles. Only your foot rotates, not your entire leg. Only your foot rotates from the ankles. Okay, reverse. Now rotate it reverse. Alright, change. Change your leg now. Rotate your foot. Yes, let your foot take a bigger circle. Alright, and make sure your leg is stable as you do it. Reverse. Alright, relax. Shake your leg. Okay, now rotate your wrist. Just clench your fist and rotate it in one direction. Reverse. Okay, now keep your legs shoulder length apart. Raise up your arms. Go down. Try touching your toes and again come back up. Let's do that 5 times. 2, go down. Come back up. 3, go down. Come back up. 4, go down. Up. 5. And relax. Okay, let's start walking again on the spot. Slightly lift up your knees now. Walk like this on the spot. Be on your toes as you walk. Don't let your heels touch the floor too much. Okay, now let's start increasing the speed of this walk into a light jog. Let's start jogging lightly. Yes, smaller steps on the spot. Okay, now with every count we are going to increase the speed of this jog. Okay, and we count from 1 to 10. So 1 being the slowest and 10 being the fastest. Alright, 1, slow jog. 2, 3, pick up speed. 4, 5, slightly faster. 6, you should feel slightly breathless now. 7, faster guys, faster. 8, faster, increase your speed. Move your legs faster. 9, give it your 90% at 9. Last count, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, faster, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax yourself, relax. We are through with our first phase of warm-up. Relax yourself. If you want to have water, you can have. Just walk around for another 10-15 seconds. Walk on the spot. Okay. Alright. Now coming up next, we have 3 exercises. Simple to do movements. You will be following my instructions. We will be doing a count of 10 of all those movements. Okay. So 3 rounds, 10 reps of every movement. Let's watch what the movements are. Okay. So first movement is widen your legs. Knees absolutely straight and locked. Okay. Hands spread out. Now go down, touch the opposite toe, come back up. Go down, touch the opposite toe, come back up. Okay? If you're not able to touch the toe, just go down as much as you can. Alright? Don't let your knee bend. Knee has to be straight. Alright, now with me guys. Let's do 10. 1. Come back up. 1. Come back up. That's 10 on each side. 2. Up. 2. Up. 3. Up. 3. Up. 4. Up. 4. Up. 5. Up. 5. Up. You have to come back up. 6. Up. 6. Up. 7. 7. Up. 8. Up. 8. Up. 9. Up. 9. Up. 10. Up. 10. Up. Okay, relax. Shake your legs. Walk around. Walk. Okay. Let's move to the next movement. First, watch the movement. Then we'll do it together. Okay? So the movement is walking jacks. And how are we going to do it? Take a step. Move from side to side. Swing your arms up and down. Okay? Got it? Let's start. We are going to do 10 again. Alright? Here with me? Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Walk. Walk. Walk on the spot. Alright. Let's do our third movement, which is on the spot high knees. And how are we going to do it? So you can swing your arms along. The movement is raising your knee as high. Let me show you a side view. So you raise your knee high, move your arms along. Make sure your chest is out, your back is straight. Okay, that's the movement. We are going to do 10 on each leg. Alright, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax. Well done, guys. Walk, walk. One round done. Okay, let's move to the second round. Legs wider. Remember the movement with me. Start. 1, up. 1, 2, come back up. 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9. Last one. 10. Up. 10. Up. Okay, relax. Walk. Walk. Okay. Yes, those who are there can finish their count as well. Alright. Let's move to the next. Walking jacks. This movement. Okay? Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, walk, walk. After this movement, we have a short water break, okay? Alright, get ready. Now we are going to do this movement, high knees. Alright, let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, relax, walk around. Let's have water. Those who wish to, just a sip of it. Don't gulp water, just a sip. And keep moving, no sitting. Keep moving, keep moving. Okay. Now what we are going to do, same 3 movements, but we are going to do 5 counts of each, and we are not going to rest in between. Okay, let's see how we do it. Non-stop 3 movements, but 5 counts. Okay, widen your legs, get ready. Start. 1, 2, slightly faster. 3, 4, last one, 5. Okay, start with walking jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, high knees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, relax. We are through with our first phase of cardio workout. Let's move to the second phase. Now, in the second phase, we are going to do something called Tabata. So, Tabata is 20 seconds of workout and 10 seconds of rest. Okay. In CrossFit, there is a term Tabata. It is a Japanese workout, and the benefit of workouts are that we have short bursts of energy and we have shorter rest periods. Okay. So rest period of 10 seconds is nothing but a transition period from one movement to another. Okay. So first let's watch what we are going to do and practice the movements before we begin Tabata. Alright. So first movement is called walking sprawls. It's a CrossFit movement. Let's watch it. So you stand like this. I'm going to show you a side view. You stand like this, knees always soft. Go down, one leg back, other leg back. One leg forward, other leg forward, get up. Down, leg back, leg forward, up, down, okay? So that's the movement. It's called walking sprawls. Let's practice this movement, everyone. Just show me 2 walking sprawls, everyone. Let's do that. Just adjust your camera angles. Yes. Go down. Yes. Take one leg back. Just watch it again. You're here. Down. One leg back, other leg back. One leg forward, get up. Yes. Very good. Yes. Yes, Dhwani, let's try. Bring one leg forward now. Yes. Other leg forward and get up. Yes. Try. Yes. Yes, Dipinder, very good. Okay. All right, yes. So that's your first movement, walking sprawls. Okay. The next movement is floor touch push-ups. I know some of you can do push-ups really well. So there is a technique, floor push-ups, which very good athletes or very good strength trainers or strength athletes also do, which enhances your push-up skills. Okay, so let's watch it. So, to begin with, your hands are slightly more than the shoulder width. Not too close, not too wide, just slightly more than the shoulder width. Okay, take your hands down and be in this pose. Your knees and stomach are off the floor. Now from here, go down as much as you can, extend your arms and come back up. Okay, watch it again. Now one pointer here, as you go down, don't do this, avoid doing this. Alright, just see that your entire body goes down in one go. You extend and entire body comes up in one go. Try it. It is difficult that your entire body comes down and up, but you can try. One pointer. When you go down, you need to touch the floor completely, lie down. Extend your arms and again come back up. Alright? Let's try 2, 3 right now. Yes, Dipender, you need to lie down completely on the floor. We are doing floor push-ups. Lie down, extend your arms and then again come up. Yes, I know you can do full push-ups, but today we are going to do this. Yes, Neha, good. Okay. Alright, perfect guys. let's move to the next movement, which is butt kicks. So let's watch the movement. Here you are going to stand up and kick your butts with your heels. That's the movement. If you want to avoid jumps, what you do is you try to just be on the spot and touch your heels against your butts. Or you can jump and do the same movement. Watch it. Alright, let's do 5 butt kicks right now, everyone. Just try it. If you don't want to avoid jumps, you can do the full butt kicks. Otherwise, you can do standing butt kicks as well. Good, Sachin, good. Alright, relax, perfect. Okay, let's move to the next movement, which is a squat. Simple movement, let's watch it. Stand with your legs shoulder width apart, toes pointing straight. Chest out, back straight, knees soft. From here, go down in a chair pose, come back up. Go down in a chair pose, come back up. Okay, one pointer to note here. Watch my side. I'm showing you a side view. As you go down, push your hips back. And don't let your knee cross your toe line. Be here and come back up. Again, go down, be here and come back up. Yes, let's try that. 2-3 squats right now, everyone. 20 slightly. Keep your legs apart. Your legs are too joined together. Yes, apart. Yes. Yes. Neha, push your hips back more. Yes. Somil, slightly widen your legs. Okay. Relax, everyone. Relax. All right. So these are the 4 movements. We are going to do workings. So don't worry on the movements. I'll keep telling you. I'll be working out with you. So don't worry. So 20 seconds of movement, 10 seconds of rest, and we do 4 minutes of Tabata. All right.
And Neha, keep your back straight when you are going down on squat. Okay, keep your back straight. You're just bending forward. Try to avoid that. Go ahead.
Okay. So 4 minutes of continuous workout. I told you the 10 seconds of rest is nothing but a transition. All right. So don't have water in between. Don't sit down. Don't lie down. 4 minutes. Let's give it our all. Jisko pani peena hai, have it right now. Okay. If you want to have water, you can have it right now. Just a sip of it. Don't gulp it. Don't be full because your heart rate is going to go up in this. I don't want you to feel pukish. Okay. Let's get ready. All right, let me demo the first movement, then we start it for 20 seconds. So first movement is your sprawls. That are your sprawls. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Down, legs back, legs forward, up, down, legs back, forward, get up, down. Yes, keep that going. Up, down, legs back, legs forward, up. 2 seconds more, 1 and 2, relax.
Time up, relax.
Relax, relax. Okay. The next movement is your floor push-ups. Let's get ready, that's your movement. You're going to go down, extend and come up. Okay, 3, 2, 1, start. Down, extend your arms, up, down, extend your arms, up, down, extend and up. Yes, carry on, carry on. 3.
8 seconds to go.
Okay.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. Relax.
Okay,
Get up.
relax. Walk, walk. Breathe, breathe. Okay, next is your butt kicks. Let's get ready. And start. Yes. So you need to kick the ground, the floor off with your toes. Be on your toes, everyone.
10 seconds to go. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1, relax.
Okay, relax, relax. Walk, walk. Get ready for squats now, okay? Get ready. Take your position. 3, 2, 1, start. Yes, down and up. Down, up. Back straight, chest out.
10 seconds to go. Very good. Keep going. Breathe out when you go up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax.
Relax. Okay, 2 minutes done. 2 more to go. Alright, let's get ready. Not much of rest here. Get ready for sprawls. Start. Legs back, legs forward, and up, down. Legs back, legs forward, and up. Carry on, carry on. Yes.
10 seconds to go.
Keep that going.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up, relax.
Good. Relax, relax. Okay, the next is your floor push-ups. Get ready. 5 seconds now. Take your position. At the count of 3, 2, 1, start. Go down. Extend your arms. Come back up. Down. Extend your arms and up. Down. Extend your arms and up. Yes, carry on.
10 to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Keep going. 2, 1. Relax.
Excellent, excellent, excellent.
Very good.
Walk, 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 everyone. Get up and walk. Don't sit. Walk, walk.
Walk, walk and breathe. Keep going.
Get ready for butt kicks. 3, 2, 1, start. Be on your toes. Push the floor back. Touch your heels against your butts.
Keep going. 10 seconds to go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax.
Relax. One last movement. Squats. Get ready. Okay. Legs shoulder width apart. Toes pointing straight. Chest out. Back straight. Knees soft. Start. Down. And up. Down. And up. Keep pushing your hips back. Yes. Very good. Carry on.
5,
Right, going down from
4,
the hips.
3, 2, and 1. Relax.
Well done, guys. 4 minutes.
Very
and
good.
up. Good.
Well done. Clap for yourself, guys.
And don't sit. Keep moving. Till another 30 seconds, don't sit. Keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. You'll feel dizzy otherwise. Good,
Move
good,
and breathe.
good.
Keep breathing.
All right. Have water if you wish to. Okay. All right.
Keep going. Very good. People we can see, I mean, they are doing pretty good.
Okay, so while we are full of energy right now and we are liking it, we are liking that sweat, we are liking that breathlessness, let's challenge ourselves into fitness. Very simple movement, but it is a fitness challenge. And let's see how many of us can sustain it for how long. I'm sure all of you are able to do it, but how long we are able to sustain it. So, as you all have a sedentary job, I understand that most of your hours go, you are sitting in front of your laptop, you're working the entire day. But here we are also require you to sit just like you normally do.
So, Meg, let me ask a question. I mean,
yeah, sure.
Guys, do you know how to sit? Do you know how to sit? I'm sure everybody knows how to sit, right? We are working with IT computers, laptops in our front, and then we are sitting. So sitting can be dangerous, sitting can be interesting, sitting can be fun, and sitting can be fruitful also. Today what we're going to do is make sitting fruitful. And how many of you have experienced burning sensation or fire or burning? Okay, maybe most of us. Either some of us are cooking and they feel that burn on their fingers, or maybe doing something and then feeling burn. So today we're gonna burn out and feel that fire somewhere in the body. Okay, somewhere in the body. And how are we gonna do that? And it's simple. I mean, we all need to sit. Everybody will be sitting for some time, or maybe 1 minute, or maybe 30 seconds or 2 minutes. But we will be sitting uh, without a chair. Okay? So we will sit, but without a chair. And let's see how much we should be thankful to that poor chair on which we are sitting all day. How much we should be thankful. I mean, we put all our body weight on that. She's suffering, but she never says anything. So let's have some empathy with that, and let's show that chair that we can actually sit without her as well. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to do a 30-second sitting without a chair.
So,
That will show you how to do it.
So this is how we usually sit. So that's a bed in my room. So I sit like this. Yes? Now, without a chair means you again sit but without a chair. Alright? So we are going to sit like this, not very down, not very up, just the right way. Okay? We are going to sit like this for, let's say, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 45 and 1 minute. So they are going to be 4 slabs. Alright? Let's do it for 20 to 30 seconds first. Let's get ready. Legs shoulder width apart, toes pointing straight, chest out, back straight, shoulders rolled back, don't slouch, hands extended forward and bend down. We starting in 3, 2,
1. Started. Okay, now think about 5 favorite Bollywood actresses or actors you know. If you don't like them,
ask your teammate that in less than a minute I'll be there. So what is less than a minute?
yeah. If you don't like anybody, you can just do something about it.
Yes, again come back. Those of you who are up, again come back. Balminder,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you can get up now.
Okay, get up. Walk.
Walk a bit.
Walk. Don't sit. Walk. Yes. Tap on your thighs. That is where you will feel a burn. Yes. Walk.
Yeah. You're gonna feel burn on this part of your leg, the upper part. Okay, so the more you feel the burn, the more you're gonna enjoy it, and the more you're gonna benefit out of it. Good, very good. Anya, you're doing the right thing, actually shaking your leg so that the blood is flowing throughout the legs, and it is preparing you for the next round, which is going to be a little tougher on your legs. Okay.
Okay, so those of you who are not able to sustain and you come up, after 2-3 seconds again come down. Okay? Alright, let's see how long we are able to sustain it. This time 45 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, at the count of 3. Yes, Balwinder, are you counting for us?
Yeah, I will be counting for you for 45 seconds. So let's start at 2, 1. Start.
Yes. Be in the chair. Yes. Keep breathing,
Yeah.
Don't hold your breath, and don't place your hands on your knees. Your hands have to be here. Yes.
10 seconds gone.
Out.
I'm going to try to entertain you so that you don't focus on the legs but somewhere else.
And in your mind, you can ask Balwinder not to talk.
20 seconds gone.
Ooh, superb.
Yes.
Keep
Very
breathing,
good, very good.
Keep breathing.
30 seconds gone. I'm liking the expressions on your face. I want to click your pictures now.
Smile for the cameras, everyone.
Alright, so 40 seconds gone. 5 more. Come on.
Let's count. 5, 4,
4, 3,
2,
1.
Okay.
Harsha is sitting on the bench, so she needs to do it again.
Walk. Yes. Let's walk around.
Now don't stop your cameras, okay? Because I can see you. Neha, you just tilt your camera a little bit down. I think you're bending too much. So Neha, you should, yeah.
I fell actually.
Oh, no problem. That's fine. When I did it for the first time, I could not hold it for 10 seconds. So you are much better than me.
Yeah, you guys are doing really good. Okay.
Guys, walk, and breathe. And we're gonna do the final set of this in another 10 seconds. So be ready.
Okay. Legs shoulder width apart, toes pointing straight, knees soft, chest out, back straight. And
And
go down, push your hips back. Okay.
yeah, and we start in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and down. Everybody down. 60 seconds.
Keep breathing, breathe, yes.
Breathing is important. Keep breathing.
So you can even hold your mobile phone and check your WhatsApps, Facebook, whatever you want to check.
10 seconds gone. Very good.
Don't bend down too much. You should be in perfect 90 degrees. Don't be in a comfortable position bending down too much.
25 gone. Look at the glow on your face. 30 gone. 30 more. Come on, Neha. Go down, 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 down. Come on. Yes. Your thighs are already burning. You can probably maybe put a chapati on that.
Breathe heavy,
40
guys.
gone. 40 gone. And 50 gone. Come on. Very good. Get up.
Last
10 more.
Guys,
9,
come on.
8, 7. Harsha, go down.
6, 5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up.
Okay, superb.
For yourself.
Good to work that.
This was fun. This was not easy.
Excellent, guys.
And Harsha, whose birthday was it? I can see a happy birthday.
It was mine only.
Oh, happy birthday, belated.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
All right. So,
Happy birthday.
guys, you did very well. I mean, this is something not easy. Wall sit
Yes.
or squat hold is very, very tough. It actually puts you in an isometric position where your muscles are continuously engaged. So, I see you are going to get more benefits out of this program. So, very well done. Very well done.
For next 30 seconds, keep walking, have a sip of water. Don't
Yeah.
gulp water, however thirsty you may be. Just a sip of it and keep moving. Don't sit down. We'll ask you to sit down when we ask you, okay? So don't sit down, keep moving, be on the move for another 30 seconds.
Yeah. So while we are walking, the next part of this session is to have just trying to bring the mercury down because the body temperature is really up. So we're going to cool down and do some stretching. Post that we'll talk about nutrition. Okay.
Okay, let's get ready for the stretching. Let's breathe first. Stand normally. Knees soft. So wherever you stand, keep your knees soft, chest out, back straight. Okay. Let's breathe in, raise our arms up. Breathe out, bring our arms down. Let's do it 3 more times. Breathe in. Fill up your lungs. Breathe out. Breathe out from your mouth. Breathe in from your nose. Breathe out from your mouth. Breathe in. Fill up your stomach. Fill up your lungs. Breathe out. One last time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Okay. Now join your legs. Keep your knees still very soft. Raise up your arms. Now be on your toes. Pull yourself up. Pull yourself up while you're on your toes. And keep breathing. Don't hold your breath here. You should always keep breathing. Breathe, yes, while you're stretching yourself up. Okay. Now heels down And from here only, just watch it go down as much as you can, trying to touch your toes. Let your back hunch now. That's fine. If your back is hunching now, that's fine. Try to touch your toes or go as deep as possible, keeping your knees straight. Okay, let's pulse 5 here. Count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly come back up and relax. Okay. Now stand with your legs shoulder width apart, knees soft. Again, raise yourself up, both the feet on the floor, and bend on one side and stretch. Keep breathing. Come back and stretch on the other side. Keep breathing and keep your eyes open. Okay, come back. Alright, relax. Alright, now let's watch it. We are going to do some leg stretching. Okay, one leg is in front, one leg is at the back. The front leg is bent, back leg is soft. Be in this pose, everyone. Now take your back leg further back as deep as possible. Lift off your heel. We are in this position. Place your hands on your thighs. And from here we go deeper with every pulse like this. Okay? Let's count 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Slowly come back. Relax. Shake your arms. Shake your legs. Okay. Now let's do it on the other leg. Stand. Take one leg back as further as possible. So body is not tilted like this. Body is straight. Body is in this direction. Go deeper on your back leg as deep as possible. Place your hands on your front leg. Let's pulse 10 again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Shake your legs. Okay. Now widen your legs. Knees locked. Lock your knees. Okay. Knees are straight and locked. Lift yourself up. Go down on one leg. Try touching your toes. If you're not able to touch your toes, just go down as deep as possible. Keep your knees absolutely straight. Go down. Stay there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up. Stretch yourself again. Bend down on the other leg. Try to hold your foot or whatever part of your leg you are able to reach. Keep your knee absolutely straight and locked. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back up and relax. Shake your legs. Walk. Okay. Now, join your legs. Bend your knees. So, you have joined your legs and you are bending your knees. Like this. From here, take your hands. Go down, touch the floor. Take one leg back, other leg back. And keep your knees straight. Bend down in a mountain. So, that's called a mountain pose. Alright, try making your mountain as high as possible. Stay there. Keep breathing. Okay, now slowly move your hands forward 1 or 2 inches and drop down in the cobra pose. So that's a cobra pose. Let your thighs touch the floor. Look up. Keep breathing. Okay, again move up in the mountain pose. Torso up, knees straight, head down. Okay, now drop your torso again in the cobra pose. Look up. Look up. Okay, now from here, one last time. Move in the mountain, down in the cobra, and go back in the child pose. So child pose is you are sitting on your heels with your arms extended forward. That's your child pose. Okay, now sit on your heels, everyone. Heel sitting is like this. You are sitting on your Legs like that. Let me show you a side view. That's your heel sit. Sit like this. Okay, let's stretch our upper body now. Stretch your neck. Pull your neck on one side. Give it a slight pull. Okay, relax. Pull your neck on the other side. Okay, relax. Now, fold one arm over your chest. Pull from the elbow and look towards the opposite side. Change. Fold the other arm across your elbow. Pull your elbows pull your elbows and look towards the opposite side. Okay, relax. Now take one arm back and pull the elbow from the other arm like this. Let me slightly move forward so that you can see the movement. So your arms are here. Pull it from the other hand. Yes, change, fold, pull. Okay, extend your arms out, palms facing down, and pull your fingers from one hand. Extend the other, pull your fingers from the other hand. Okay, relax. Now let's all get up, be on our toes, pull yourself up, and walk 10 steps on the toe. 10 steps back and forth. Keep pulling yourself up. Pull, 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 yes. Okay, relax. Jog on the spot. Walk or jog just slightly. Shake your body. Shake your arms. Shake your legs. Breathe normally. And the workout part is done. So hope you're feeling good about it. And I congratulate all of you who took this opportunity that your company has taken.
Amazing.
Dipinder, you did very well. So I can see your enthusiasm for fitness.
Thank you.
Next time we are going to do the full push-ups only. Okay, you wanted to do the full push-ups, but I asked you to do the floors one. Okay.
Thanks.
All right. So Balvinder, let's move to the nutrition talk.
Yeah, I'm just gonna share my screen. Just wait a minute.
Sure.
Can you hear me?
Yes, Karishma.
Yes, we can hear.
Yes.
So I have one question regarding the push-up. Like while I was doing the push-up, I was not able to fill up on my arms, and I felt a little pain in my backside. Why was it?
Okay. Yeah, Balvinder, you can answer.
Yeah, Karishma. So I really do not know because I could not see your video while you were doing that. So what we can do is we can take it offline. You just send us the query. You can talk to Kiran about it. Send us the query and we'll respond you back on that if required. We'll send you the posture if the posture is wrong, or we might need some more information from you. So we need to interact with you for that. So just get in touch with Kiran, and I think we can sort this out. Okay. Okay. Is my screen visible to everybody?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. So, we just what we did is we did a small, a short session of Tabata, and you know the beauty of Tabata or HIIT, which we call it high intensity interval training. The beauty of that is that you not only burn calories while you are doing workout, you burn calories when you are not doing workout. Post that also. We call it EPOC. It's your energy consumption, which is post the workout. And that's something which is very, very interesting. So somebody needs to be on mute. I don't know who it is. I can hear a lot of noise. Okay. Thank you. So we what we did is I think even if we have burned maybe about 200 calories in the workout, we are going to keep burning the calories throughout the day, throughout the remaining day, because we have done HIIT. Tabata is a very interesting workout, and you might be get that kind of workout in the future as well. Very soon. So next is what we're going to talk about is we have done a small test, patience test or strength test, or by doing some squat holds. That was really great. Everybody did very, very well. and I think it's not easy. So I really understand the kind of enthusiasm you guys have. So I really appreciate that, and that's something which is good for the organization as well, because they are taking some initiative for you people, and you guys are actually responding to that very well. Okay, so we're going to talk about nutrition. Nutrition is a very important aspect of our fitness and health. I would say health is even more important. Overall health is very good and very important for all of us. We need to understand that it is something which is non-negotiable. About nutrition, there are so many myths which are out. There are so many myths which people are talking about. We tend to hear a lot of things. And I think I want to share one thing which everybody says, that I don't know what happens. I just don't eat anything, but I'm still getting fatter day by day. And there is a saying in Hindi which I hear a lot, कि मुझे तो पानी भी लग जाता है. I don't know how many of you understand Hindi here, but still मुझे तो पानी भी लग जाता है. So that is one of the myths, one of the frequent saying which I hear from you. So today I'm going to talk to you about tips. One of the tips